Gonzo Fam. So, as you can tell from the title of this video, it is Sunday, so happy Sunday. Today we are going to my husband's game and we're gonna go vlogging as usual. I just got out the shower. I already brushed my hair, put on my clothes, and now except for Isabella, she's on the floor if you can hear her. You wanna say hi? Hi. Hi. There's Izzy. Anyways, the other two are still sleeping, but I'm gonna go ahead and shower this one right here so that I can go ahead and get her dressed. It is like almost 9 o'clock, so we'll be have to leave you soon. And say bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Say mwah. Give him a kiss. Mwah. Hubby made some what is this called? I forgot what this is called. Some corn meal or something. I don't know what it's called. But all the kiddos are up now. My husband is taking his shower. So when he's done, I'm gonna give them a shower so I can get the dress. So this is the outfit that the girls will be putting on. They got the same shirt, they got the same pants, and they got the same coat. They even got the same boots.
Izzy.
Then Caden, he has some jeans, and he got his underwear, then he got a Spider-Man shirt, and his coat is downstairs. He has a coat.
Hi.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Show them your Spider-Man shirt. Ooh, that's what he's gonna wear today, you guys. That is his shirt that he's about to put on. So let's hurry up and put it on, okay? This is his shirt, you guys. He's gonna put this on.
I'm naked.
Undies.
Thank you.
Okay, good job. Let's put on your shirt, baby. Wow. Turn around. Let me see. Ooh.
Hi, guys.
You like the shirt?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
Got his socks. This is shoes. Got the same. Y'all got the same clothes on. Look, same shirt, same pants, same shoes. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Look, same clothes. Y'all, she literally gave me a fit. Y'all see how pretty her hair is? It's all curly. There you go, pretty girl. See all better? Isn't that cute? Oh, pretty. Go show Dada. Y'all so cute. Y'all ready?
Hi.
You ready?
Needed some shit with some bop in it. I flew past and whip with that blunt in my mouth, watched it swerving. That was bad, a cop in it. My bitch got good pussy, fly her across the country. I finished the show and I been.
Hi, Caden.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name, Kaden Vago Agayish.
Good job, big boy. How old are you?
I'm 5.
When's your birthday?
12 years is something.
July 17th. Good job, baby. I'm happy. Ooh, yeah. Oh, bless you. Hi, Lily. Come here, Lily.
Mom, a bus.
Yeah, we're waiting on Dada. Are y'all ready to get in the car?
Yeah.
All right, let's get in. We made it to our destination. We're about to get out. You ready? You ready, Liliana?
Yeah.
Izzy back there sleep. All right, so let's get out. See Dada? Say hi, Dad. Say Dada. Say hi, Dad. We were sitting out there, but then it started to rain, so we came to the car until it clears up a little, and it looks like it is actually kind of getting a little better, but if not, I'll wait it out just a tad bit. Y'all want to go see Dada? What's so funny?
Nothing.
No laugh. Hi. You want to see yourself? What's that? Look. 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 The cheese. Look. So, Gonzo fam, with the wind and the cold rain and my daughter's shoes keep falling off, I just decided to come back to the car until he finishes up, because now that I know where his games are and how the bleachers are, I can better prepare myself, like getting them chairs next time, getting maybe a blanket if it's cold still. But as it warms up, it'll be better, because I can let them run around. But her shoe kept coming off and I'm like, so stay tuned.
Hi.